Just to clarify on this letter which you have seen, this is the way they treated me. You are a subject of an investigation. Who speaks like that to someone who you would call imam? Is this not disrespect, my dear brothers? Calling someone a subject of investigation like this is some type of code of law, because they told me that the Imam Atar Rahman, Hafizahullah, our brother from Markaz al-Huda, he will be your manager. And I said to them, I don't agree to be working with him as a manager and worker basis. I rather want to work like we have been working for the previous 5 years, as independent imams and workers, where we make our own decision. Also with Imam Atar Rahman Saab, he has a very strict approach, and me and him, we have fallen out many times in the past, as brothers, and as just colleagues, fellow colleagues, because we disagreed on a matter. Even brother Shaukat was present there when we was invited in his house, and he would basically invite us for tea and coffee, and Imam Saab would start debating with me on a subject where we would end up arguing. So I knew, he was very strict, and his approach was very difficult, and I would not be able to work with him under that title. So I requested to them, let us carry on working as independent imams. Why are you making things difficult? And they would say, or rather, because we want a structure in place where we don't have to deal with the imams directly, so you'll be through other imams, or through Imam Atar Rahman Sahib. So I said to them, we chose you so we can have a better relationship with you and we can approach you so you're more approachable. But however, they declined on that. However, because when I spoke last to Imam Saab, he threatened me with dismissal because I didn't agree with me. Already a day or 2 days later, after he got this management position, and I thought, you know what, already he is threatening me with management power, and talking to me about dismissal if I do not listen to him. So I was certain that I definitely do not want to work with him as a worker and manager base. Rather, we'll be just brothers and independent imams. But they said no, we will not allow that to happen. If you don't listen to us, we will dismiss you. And this is the main reason. These are the two main reasons that I couldn't take on further work. Because I was already quite busy and booked with appointments. So they didn't want a no for an answer. They didn't want to give me any time. And second, because I didn't want to be under Imam Sahib. I wanted to be an independent person like we have been. Alhamdulillah, we have achieved so much khair already. But they said no. And based on that, these types of insulting letters, this brother Nazakat started to send